Is he looking at you? You give him sugar? Give him a sugar right there.
Dirty.
He's not dirty. Give him a sugar right there. Come on.
I want to came away right now.
Oh, you can't give him one little sugar right there. That's sweet. You love him?
I'm really sweet.
Do you love him big?
Really sweet.
Good.
Him this big.
Yeah, he's little.
Him this big.
You love him that big?
Hoping that big.
He loves you that big. Don't you, James? Say, yes, ma'am.